The Adata Legend 970 is a CA-Gene 5 solid-state drive that features patented heat dissipation technology for fast speeds and efficient cooling. According to market consensus, active cooling is commonly accepted as necessary for timely heat dissipation during high-speed PC operations. Please note that these are just a few examples based on the search results you provided. There may be other Adata products and cooling solutions available on the market. It's always a good idea to visit the official Adata website or check out reputable online retailers for the latest information on compatible products, prices, and discounts.